Does your company rely on traditional SQL databases to deploy mission-critical applications, but need to deliver the user experience your customers want? Do you worry that migration to the cloud will be time-consuming and require you to rebuild your applications or lift a traditional SQL database into a cloud environment? You don't need to worry. NuoDB delivers the SQL consistency your applications require for the distributed environments you need to move to. Our patented distributed SQL database simplifies your path to the cloud by retaining the transactional consistency, data durability, and ACID guarantees of traditional relational databases. NuoDB provides scalability, availability, and flexibility. And it's still SQL. Scale out on demand and gain significant total cost of ownership savings. Build for always-on operations with no planned or unplanned downtime. Deploy your applications in modern architectures such as microservices, containers, and Kubernetes. And on-premises, in public or private clouds, in hybrid environments, and across multiple clouds. Best of all, maintain a single logical database for your applications everywhere. The world is moving to distributed applications and architectures. Your database should too. NuoDB, the database to build your future on, so you can deliver the experience your customers deserve. Ready to get started? Contact us today.